this video, I want to share how you can optimize your emails and grow your email subscribers by using an email mini course. This is the third in a series of 4 videos about putting together free content to grow your business and to get more traffic, subscribers, and ultimately sales with free content. So today we're going to discuss how you can offer a 5-day mini course delivered via email as a lead magnet to grow your subscribers. So a mini course is split in this example into 5 parts, although I do think it could be a bit longer, like 5 to 7 days tends to work out fairly well because people could get one each day. And they deliver information via email over a predetermined length of time. And they're great for gaining exposure, building relationships, and training subscribers to open your emails. So I want to share some of the details you want to include in your course, how to develop your content, and some monetization ideas for putting together these mini courses. So obviously you want to decide what to share, and you're looking for the mini course. It should be small and specific, but it also needs to support your main product. So you don't want to completely solve all their problems, but maybe you want to solve something that's been bothering them or nagging them. So maybe a mini course could be like, if you're getting somebody to eat healthier, it could be like, how to drink more water each day effortlessly and cut down on sodas, or how to beat nighttime cravings. That might be a good example for a mini course. Something that's going to be helping people, but it's not like a huge breadth of information. So for example, you could create a losing weight mini course, but maybe it doesn't go into such specifics. Or you could also create a course that includes recipes and lists, but if they're looking for more types of in-depth things, then they would want to maybe go toward the paid option. So you have a lot of different variations and ways to do this. Now, if you don't have a course that you're selling or any type of content, you could also do something that's based on being an affiliate, or if you're giving away something like printables, or let's say you're selling something like low content like journals. Well, your mini course could be like, 5 ways to journal in 5 minutes a day or something like that. So, you can come up with a lot of different things for these and that will support what you're doing and have it be creative and interesting. So developing your content, you could write it yourself, you could hire a ghostwriter, or you could also repurpose private label rights content, or PLR, which is one of my favorites. And that will be content you pre-purchase and use. And those are great because a lot of times there'll be tips and different things that you can use and repurpose. And it's great because it's going into an email, so you don't have to worry about duplicate content or anything along those lines. Now, the thing is with delivering an e-course, there are some other things, or mini course, you do have to have in place. You probably will need some type of opt-in page, which you can actually set up for free with an autoresponder, but you do need an autoresponder. That's how your course will be delivered to people, and that's how you get your subscribers. So you can look at Aweber or GetResponse. Those are popular, MailerLite. There's a lot of different ones out there. And I suggest if you're just getting started, start and looking at some that maybe offer a free tier or a very low cost tier as you continue to build up your subscriber base. So you can deliver your mini course in 5 consecutive days. That's a great way to get people used to seeing your emails. And you can also use these and turn it into a powerful sales tool. So some of the things you can do are you can sell one product where you're really focusing on gearing your mini course toward just one thing that you're selling or putting together. And that's a very powerful strategy. You can follow the 80-20 rule, where in the mini course, you provide 80% content, and then maybe at the end, you have a pitch for your particular product. And you can vary your pitch where it's not the same thing every single day. You can have different calls to action and so forth. So you do not have to put the product in the same place in every email. You can put it differently, put it in a different place, or have a different call to action, as I was mentioning, just so people don't sort of look at it and it fades into the background, because you're going to have these opportunities each time you email them to sell them on your product, whether it's a guide, a journal, a course, whatever it is. So if you'd like to learn more about how to take free content to create and monetize your paid content, you want to check out Free Content Profits. It's great for getting more traffic and subscribers, and you can see the link there in the description.